guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some spring outfits. I am so excited because spring is finally here, and I am so excited. It's sunny, it's kind of warm. I'm just excited. So I've been dressing a little more fun, bright colors. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorite outfits that I've been wearing recently. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. For outfit number one, I'm starting with this blue t-shirt I got from Walmart that I just cut off the bottom slightly, and then I'm wearing this lace bomber jacket over top of it from Goodwill. And then I am just wearing my fringe jeans, and if you'd like to see a tutorial on this, I will link it above and below. For shoes, I am wearing these white sneakers that I got from Walmart. And lastly, I am wearing the striped scarf in my hair that I got from Dollar Tree. And that is it for this outfit. This one is one of my favorites. I love how it still works for some cooler weather, but it's perfect for spring. For outfit number two, I am starting with this denim button-up from Goodwill, and then this simple gold necklace from Walmart. For pants, I am wearing these peach capris, also from Walmart. And lastly, for shoes, I am wearing these tote boots, also from Walmart. And that is it for this outfit. I love the bright colors and just the whole style, yet it's still warm enough for any cooler days. For this next outfit, I'm starting with this floral shirt from Walmart, and these sky blue pants, also from Walmart. And lastly, I am wearing these gold ankle boots from Walmart, and I love the fact that I can wear a more springy outfit, but then add ankle boots to make it more wintry and a little bit warmer. And that is it. It's fun, it has bright colors, it has ankle boots, it's just a perfect outfit. And for this last outfit, I am wearing the Seahawks shirt I got from Goodwill. And over top of it, I am wearing this jean jacket, also from Goodwill. And then I am wearing these white pants, also from Goodwill. And last but not least, I am wearing these high top navy sneakers from Amazon. And there you go. This is one of my favorite outfits. I think it's just so fun and bright and perfectly coordinated. And if you wanted to, you could take off the jacket and it would be a really cute outfit just as is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and click over here to subscribe, click right over here to watch some more videos of mine, and click in this corner to watch my fitness channel. And please tell me in the comments below what video you'd like me to do next, and share this with a friend who would love some fun spring outfits. Alright guys, bye.